In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix MyFitnessPal not loading. This is a common issue that many users encounter, and I will guide you through the steps to resolve it effectively. Let's jump right into the first step. Start by opening your device settings. This is where you can access all the important configurations for your device. On the screen, you will see a gear icon or a similar symbol representing settings. Tapping on this icon will lead you to a menu filled with various options. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for the next actions that will help you troubleshoot the MyFitnessPal loading issue. You will notice that your settings may differ slightly depending on your device, but don't worry, the core steps remain the same. Next, click on the Apps option. This section allows you to manage all the applications installed on your device. Once you tap on Apps, you will see a list of all your applications. Scroll through the list to find the one labeled MyFitnessPal. It's important to locate the specific app you are experiencing issues with. This step narrows down the problem to just MyFitnessPal, ensuring we can address it directly. Now click on MyFitnessPal. When you select the app, you will be taken to its information page. This page displays details about the app, including storage usage, permissions, and other settings. Here you can find options that can help resolve the loading issue. Selecting the app is essential because it allows us to access the settings that need adjustments to fix the problem. From there, click on Storage. The storage section shows how much space the app is using and options related to its data management. You will be presented with options to clear cache and data. This step is vital because cache data can often cause issues with how apps function. By accessing this section, you can take the necessary actions to refresh the app's data. Next, tap on Clear Cache. This action will remove temporary files that may be interfering with the app's performance. You may not see a confirmation, but rest assured that this process is quick and effective. After clearing the cache, it is also important to tap Force Stop to kill any background processes. This ensures that MyFitnessPal is completely shut down and prepares it for a fresh start. This little step saves you a lot of time later by preventing any old data from causing conflicts. Another step you can take is to open the Google Play Store. This is where you can find and update all your apps. By accessing the Play Store, you ensure that your applications are up to date, which can resolve many loading issues. Look for the Play Store icon on your device and tap to open it. Updating apps regularly is important because developers release patches and improvements that enhance app performance and fix bugs. Now search for MyFitnessPal in the Google Play Store. Once you enter the name, you should see the app appear in the search results. This step ensures you are looking at the correct application and not a similar one. It's essential to verify that you're dealing with the right app because updating the wrong one won't help with the loading problem. Finally, tap Update if a fresh version patch is available. If there is an update, this will ensure that you have the latest features and bug fixes. The update process may take a moment, so be patient. Once completed, you will notice an improvement in the app's performance when you open it again. This final step is crucial as it combines all your previous efforts to ensure MyFitnessPal runs smoothly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading issue with MyFitnessPal effectively. Thank you for watching and happy tracking.